of rupees 80,000 for each of the 5 years as scholarship for higher education granted by the Government of India. This year, Nishant Agarwal, he was of batch 2009, was awarded merit certificate and cash prize worth rupees 5,000 by Vigyan Evam Praudogiki Vibhag, UP government, for excellence in mathematics in the ISC 12th class examination. Vishnu Maheshwari passed ISC in 2011 and was admitted on merit to Kirorimal College, New Delhi for BSc Honours, and we are proud that every year the students passing class 12th are selected for engineering and allied courses in various IITs and government colleges like NIT Rourkela, HPTI Kanpur. This year, 156 students appeared in Science Olympiad Foundation test and also in IAIS test conducted by the University of New South Wales, Australia. Orientation program and workshop for teachers was held on August 1st and 2nd, 2011. This program was conducted by the personnel of Edurite Company, Bangalore. Co-curricular activities. Every year, intra-school competitions are held for both senior section and junior section separately. Among the literary activities, we have GK, quiz, debate, elocution, declamation competitions. Among the cultural activities, art, collage, singing. In games and sports, football, basketball, cricket, table tennis, chess. Athletics, races, high jump, long jump, discus throw, shot put, javelin throw. For junior section, we have got recitation, declamation, art, singing, dancing, fancy dress, races and games. Inter-school competitions. Number of students participating in inter-school competition is increasing. In the regional inter-ICSE ISC school athletic meet held at Colvin Talukdas College, Lucknow on 9th and 10th of October 2011, Qazi Saud Alam of class 11th stood third in 5 kilometers walk. Akash Deep of class 11th was a team member in relay race of the team which stood second. Compest organized by Seth Anandram Daipuria School of Kanpur on 14th to 16th October 2011, Muhammad Ziad Ansari of class 12 stood first in the pen a tail contest. Muhammad Irfan Khan of class 11th A and Akif Aslam of class 12B stood second in Pandora's box contest. In the mini marathon race, Clean Kanpur, Healthy Kanpur, organized by St. Thomas School, Kidwai Nagar, Kanpur, on the occasion of their Silver Jubilee year, Akif Aslam of class 12B stood second. In the DigiFest 2011, organized by Dr. Viren Swarup Memorial Public School, Civil Lines, Kanpur, Muhammad Irfan Khan of class 11 stood first in contest perfect